Hello, and I am in C2, and today I would like to present about the coursework tree from the machine learning module. So, according to the machine learning module, we need to download the data set from the public. So, I did download my Flower data set from the Kaggle. So, this is my data set folder. So, in this folder, I import the Jupyter notebook. In the so in first I create a Flower classification data preparation. So here I import the library, and also I specify into the Flower directory, and start to I verify data set folder, and I visualize simple image from the each class, and then I also load the split data using the TensorFlow, and then I convert the data sets to NumPy array, and then I normalize and prepare a lever. And this is the result, and I also show the simple image from Flower dataset. So and I also create a new network design. So this new network design, I create an input layer, hidden layer, first convolutional block, and hidden layer, second convolutional block, and hidden layer, third convolutional block, and also transition from convolutional to dense, and hidden layer, first dense layer, and hidden layer, second dense layer, and also the output layer. And I also create a model and visualize the model structure. This is the result. This is the model sequential, layer type, and output shade and parent. This is a total parent, and this is a train event parent, and this is a non-train event parent, and this is the model structure flowchart. And I also create and evaluate the model, and I combine the model and I train the model with the optimal parameter for speed, because the training model is the loading so much. Then I evaluate also the model, and I plot the training history. I I also show some prediction. So here is the result training model. The model combined with the optimizer and loss and metric. This is the training model, and I evaluate the model on test data. Thus, this is the evaluation results, test accuracy, and test loss. I also show model accuracy and model loss. This is and generating the prediction. So this is a simple prediction model prediction on test image. I also train the process the training visualization. In this is the initial state, and this is the learning pattern, and I also make it a connection. And this is the accuracy improvement and error retention and final reset. So this is the reset training process step by step learning. Start randomizing 25% accuracy learning to see pattern and building connection between feature, and get this smart each session and making fewer mistake and training model ready to classify. This is a layer function visualization. I create a neighbor for the each layer, and I add the test. This is each layer test simple explanation. Input const 1, const 2, const 3, test 1, test 2, and output. So this is the final summary. I also show the final summary point. This is the summary point. So this is the result in summary, and how the neural I show the how the neural network work. So in the input I show the take flower picture and sun and plot picture, and in the const layer I show the land to see pattern, age and shade to flower. And in the task layer, I also show the thing about what the pattern mean. And in the output, give final answer which confidence level. In the training, practice with the thousand of the example. In the learning and after mistake, get better each time. And in results, smart standard recognize flower accurately. So this is the final accuracy and 81%, and can correctly identify flower 4 out of 5 times. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.